Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I am excited to review this amazing smartwatch Reflex Active Series 39. Really good watch, and if you are looking something for make a call and receive a call, social media messages, also with GPS tracker and heart rate monitor, sleep tracker, step counter, also waterproof, IP68 water resistant. Really good smartwatch. Case size is 48 mm, up to 4-day battery life, touch screen, soft adjustable strip, and fast charging, charger included, iOS and Android. Also you can use with Apple Store and Android Store. You just need to download the app. I will show you in my video. So let's unbox and review this amazing smartwatch. Also you can receive call, you can call from your watch, dial pad, and you can receive social media notification, Bluetooth music control, camera control. Price wise the watch work very good, is enough. Otherwise it's not like a Apple or Samsung or Huawei watch, but it's enough for me. So I'm reviewing as well and unboxing as well. So let's see what is inside the box. Let's unbox this device, guys. Box is very good. Wow, look, with tag, Reflex Active tag, watch, charger, and booklet. Amazing. So in the box just charging cable and watch and the menu. Quality wise is amazing. It's in blue color, dark blue color, very soft and proper material. Look, Reflex Active tag also on the badge. So let's see hardware and software. The buttons available on the right hand side, mode button and sport mode button, also the menu changing button. On the sensor, wow, this is the sensor, heart rate monitor sensor. Charging port is magnet charging, and UKCA RA392206. So let's remove the screen protector. So let's power on, guys, and see the software wise. So mode button is power on button, so you can on power from the mode button. Just hold, press and hold until it show the sign of life. Wow, look the dialing pad. You can change the man face, lot of face available. Also download the app from Play Store, Reflex Active Red app. I will show you later on, and connect your watch and you can choose your own picture. So let's see the setting. From the top you can check the setting, go in a setting. You can change the display brightness, screen duration or watch face from here as well. Also you can change the menu style, different menu style. You can choose any menu style, and vibration and ring, power, low power, phone. You can find your phone and smart watch if you lose it. System, about system information in setting. Also small window on the side. Heart rate monitor sensor, sleep tracker, dialing pad. Also dialing pad in this watch. Just connect your phone and dial from your watch. So let's see main menu. So this is the main menu, guys. You can control your camera, find your watch, music control, card, different card, stopwatch, different faces, and oxygen tracker, sleep tracker, weather update, GPS, lot of function. Also calculator, guys. Lot of function in this smartwatch. By software wise is also look amazing. Screen is very nice screen color wise. Just for £29 and a good activity tracker machine. So you can change the watch face from your app as well guys. Download and just update from your mobile phone. So let's see the goal, walking goal. You can start your goal as well from here. Any goal you want to start, any exercise or activities. Also running goal, cycling goal, lot of goal available, basketball, lot of goal available in this smartwatch guys. So let's check the heart rate monitor sensor from the main menu. So let's see how heart rate monitor sensor works. Look very nice, look and design wise, material wise, really good. And look, Porsche watch just for $29.99. So why we spend thousands of pounds on expensive watches? So this is heart rate monitor sensor, oxygen sensor and different sensor here. Design wise amazing, round design. The menu, look, lot of activity trackers. You can check on menu how to use this smartwatch, everything on the menu guys. Also calculator available in this smartwatch. So connect with your app. So how to download this app I show you in my mobile phone. So download Reflex Active Red Watch from Play Store guys. Open it and search for your watch. Just add your detail, male, female. And add your smartwatch. For my smartwatch. So guys, my watch is connected RA Series 39. So click on the watch and connect it with mobile phone. Need to pair, yes. Start. Smartwatch with your mobile app. So I'm upgrading. My watch is connected and updated guys, the sensor, and you can change the settings, watch faces from the mobile phone as well. You can choose your own from the gallery. Lot of faces available in gallery guys. Look, you can choose any, or you can choose your own picture. Halloween or Valentine days, different look, the Halloween face as well available. So this one look nice. Just download it and connect with smartwatch. It's downloading and connecting. So it's updating, just waiting for update. Look, the dial is changed guys. So you can change different dials from your app as well, and setting as well. You can set your goal from your mobile phone, red app, or about the watch. Also you can find my device. So let's find my device. So my watch is vibrating now, also sound as well. Alarm, you can set alarm, camera shutter, e-card, favorite contact. Lot of settings available in this smart app. Also GPS tracker, so you can track your activities, GPS tracking, and update the weather. Stress tracker, blood oxygen tracker. So lot of activities, guys. So let's see how it's look in my wrist. Very look amazing, guys. Very fit and very soft material, and looks so smart. Just for 29 pound, it's really good watch, guys. Just for 29 pound, just daily exercise tracker. If you want to buy a mid-range watch or cheap watch in under 2-year warranty, so I love it. Amazing. I know it's not like a big companies, big watches, but you can do a lot with this smartwatch just for 29 or 30 pound. Amazing, very lovely. So I hope you like Reflex Active 39 review. So please thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more cheap and mid-range devices. If you want to save some money, so please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. Also thumbs up for my vlog as well, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely evening, everyone. Take care. Bye.